Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Alzheimer's disease. Are you forgetting the recent events you witnessed or the conversations you had with people? Are you having sudden problems with your communication skills? You should immediately go and consult a doctor, as the symptoms of the common disease called Alzheimer's disease. It is the most common type of dementia. Alzheimer's is a progressive disease that could drastically affect your abilities to carry out the simplest daily life task. As it is a neurological disorder, it requires immediate medical care. Though it's generally caused due to hereditary factors, but the environmental factors could be an additional reason. These may also give rise to this disease. Also, early symptoms of Alzheimer's disease may begin at the age of 30, would last for years or even lifelong. Thus, the treatment of Alzheimer's could slow the process, but it is an incurable disease. Symptoms. An early symptom of Alzheimer's disease is forgetting all the recent events or conversations with people. The modifications in the brain may lead to the changes associated with: first, memory. Memory loss in Alzheimer's disease worsens with time. People suffering from Alzheimer's may repeat statements, forget conversations, get lost in usual places. They may also forget the names of people or objects and have trouble finding appropriate words. Second, thinking and reasoning. A person suffering from Alzheimer's disease may find difficulties in thinking and concentrate on things. Also, multitasking and managing things related to numbers also become difficult. Third, making judgments and reaching to conclusions. The ability to choose proper clothes according to the weather, difficulty in responding to problems such as burning food. Also, an unplanned situation while driving is faced by a person affected by Alzheimer's disease. Fifth, performing or planning usual tasks. Tasks like cooking, playing any game, dressing, or bathing becomes a struggle with the progress of Alzheimer's disease. Fifth, sudden changes in behavior. The changes occurring in the brain leads to sudden mood swings and behavioral alterations. Also, depression, hallucination, irritability, aggressiveness, changes with sleeping habits, distrust are some common problems witnessed by the affected person. Stages of the disease. First, early stage Alzheimer's. Common difficulties found like misplacing objects and remembering names. Also, experiencing trouble with planning, choosing appropriate words. Second, middle stage Alzheimer's. It's the longest stage where a person may confuse words, irritated and lost somewhere, or behave abnormally like refusing to bath. Third, late stage Alzheimer's. Individuals lose the ability to respond, talk to people, and control their movements. So, they become vulnerable to infections and require all-time assistance. Causes. Mostly, Alzheimer's disease occurs due to the combination of genetic, poor lifestyle, and unhealthy environmental factors. Also, the studies show that there is a deposition of proteins known as plaques and tangles that build upon the tissues of the brain. Risk factors. Certain factors increase the risk of causing Alzheimer's disease, like increasing age, genetics and family history, people suffering from Down syndrome, poor sleep patterns, unhealthy lifestyle, past head trauma, past heart disease, mild cognitive impairment. Women suffer more than men. Treatment. Alzheimer's is an incurable disease, but there are certain medications that can improve its symptoms for a certain period of time. First, acetylcholinesterase (ACHE) inhibitors. These help the nerve cells of the brain to communicate with each other. Second, memantine. These block the effects of the chemical in the brain called glutamate. Third, self-care. Aerobic exercises can improve cardiovascular health. It needs to practice for 20 to 30 minutes for 5 days a week. Prevention. Alzheimer's disease is a non-preventable condition. However, an unhealthy lifestyle increases the risk of the disease. So, proper, healthy lifestyle choices may reduce its risk, which includes basic nutrition tips, consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy product, lean protein-rich diet. Avoid high saturated fat and cholesterol. Avoid processed food and refined sugars. Use less salt and food with high sodium content. Use healthy oil in food. Regular exercises. Proper control of diseases like hypertension, diabetes, obesity. Avoid smoking and overdrinking of alcohol. It is important for us to understand if a person shows sudden changes in his behavior. People with Alzheimer's may behave very unusually, which might be irritating to you. But remember one thing, that they do not do it intentionally. Every individual tends to forget things, and we all know that frustrating feeling when we do not remember it. So step in the shoes of individuals suffering from Alzheimer's and try to understand their helpless condition.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.